Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of hundreds and thousands biscuit. So this recipe I got it from my library book, and we want to do some experiment, guys. So this is basically experiment cooking, and I can't say that my cookies will come like this, but we are trying our best. So let's see, guys. Let's start. So the ingredients are here, but I'm going to skip this egg. We are vegetarians, so we won't put egg in our biscuit. So let's start, guys. So we are adding 1 cup of plain flour into this big bowl. If you want more, you can add more, guys. So for 2 cups of plain flour, we are adding 30 to 40 grams of butter, and we are going to add some sugar, and we are going to add 2/3 cup of castor sugar. The castor sugar means the plain sugar, guys, and nothing else. So for 1 cup we have to add 2/3, but 1/3, but we are making 2 cups of plain. We added 2 cups of plain flour, so we added 2/3 cups of sugar. So this is done, and I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. It gives the nice flavor in all the biscuits, and we are going to mix this one, and we are going to add 2 teaspoon of milk into this. This is 1 teaspoon. My son is helping me, guys. This is another teaspoon. So we added 2 teaspoon, and we have to mix this one to make dough. And we have to mix this one to make smooth dough, guys. So my dough is ready, guys. What we have to do, we have to roll with the rolling pin in a round shape. Then we have to use our cutter. So we are using this star shape, guys. So you can use any shape. If you have a round one, you can use the round one. So you have to press this hard, then only it will make in a shape. So can you see? So we are making the star shape. Hey guys, we finished our cookies. So we did it in the star shape. You can do it in the round shape, but in the book I will show you guys. In the book they did it in the round shape, and they sprinkled the hundreds and thousands. So this is called the hundreds and thousands, and I will put this recipe in my description box so that you guys can do. So yeah, so this is the recipe for this biscuit, and I'm going to try more biscuits. So this is a biscuit book, guys. So I will show you. Varieties of biscuits are here. So I thought I can try this. First I can try this one, then I will do it more later. So cream cookies, sultana biscuits, very nice. I want to try this one, shortbread biscuits. Yeah, so they have written step by step how to make. So yeah, and we have sprinkled these hundreds and thousands in the top of the cookies, guys. So yeah, so we finished with this one, guys. So we put hundreds and thousands. So if you don't have this one, no need to worry, you can skip this part, but this is the hundreds and thousand cookies, guys. So yeah, so the baking time, the baking temperature should be 180 degrees C, and you have to bake this one up to 12 to 15 minutes. Then you will get the excellent biscuit. So yeah, so this is the experimental cooking, guys. Please don't expect that this biscuit will come like that, which I shown in the book. So yeah, so this is the fun cooking. Hey guys, just now I removed this biscuit from the oven. It's too hot. So yeah, and it came out very good, guys. So I will show you one. So can you see? It's very good. It's very hot. Ooh. So see you soon in my another experimental cooking video, guys. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel, and if you like it, please comment below. So yeah, see you soon. Bye, and please subscribe. Thank you.